I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. This week I am really excited to show you 5 different ways that you can wear your hair when you're on summer holiday. Whether you're going to the beach, you're going to be lounging by the pool, or you're going to be going out in the evenings, we're going to cover all of it. 5 amazing and really easy ways that you can elevate your hair when you're on holiday. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a little bit hot at the moment. Hopefully you're not too hot, and I don't mean in a good way. It has been boiling here where I am near London in Buckinghamshire for the past few days. So you'll have to forgive me if I look a little bit sweaty, but I'm looking forward to being by the beach myself and putting my hair up and trying out some of these styles. Now, before I forget, I would love it if you would subscribe. Every single week I share an accessory styling video to give you a lovely boost, and I don't want you to miss a thing, so please hit subscribe. Back to summer hair. So our first hairstyle is really easy, just like all the others, but it's so cute as well. I love this one. We're going to use a little mini jeweled hair claw. So this is our mini hair claw, and we're going to style it in a little bun. This is not a full bun, it's a half up bun, and the jeweled hair claw adds the perfect finishing touch. I hope you loved that one. We're going to look now at a super casual full updo. You know, when you're just a little bit hot and you just want to get all the hair off your neck. And frankly, that happens a lot on holiday, doesn't it? And we just need to put our hair up when there's windswept or we've been in the pool and it's all a bit messy. And these hair claws come in brilliantly when you just want to sweep it all up. Now, what about the evening? Sometimes we just want to wash and go. We don't want to be hanging out in our hotel room for too long. We want to go and enjoy our summer holiday and going out for dinner. And hair slides are a brilliant, quick glamour fix for when you just want to have your hair down but add a touch of sophisticated sparkle. So number 4 is, you might have guessed, a jeweled headband. These are one of my favourite accessories because they are so quick and easy and they transform your look. They take just seconds to put on and they can change your outfit completely. Brilliant when you're going on summer holiday and you haven't got much room in your suitcase, because you can wear the same dress but put on a jeweled headband and it completely changes your outfit. Now for my grand finale, the chain headband holiday harem hairstyle when your hair is a mess and you need a quick glamour fix. If you're anything like me, your other half is always hurrying you along and you haven't got quite as much time as you'd like to get ready. In the video that's coming next, don't go anywhere because you're going to see an example of me running out of the hotel room but arriving in a restaurant with my hair really messy on holiday and not done. But luckily I had one of these chain headbands in my purse. I popped it on in the middle of the restaurant and I got my daughter to video how I was doing the updo. It was so easy, I could do it without a mirror. I think it looks okay. Let me know what you think. What did you think? It's a great hairdo if your hair is messy and you just want to get it up quickly and you still want to look chic, like you've made a bit of an effort. So these chain headbands can be great for more formal updos, and they're also great for holiday hair as well. They really do elevate your style to the next level. So I hope you loved my 5 holiday hairstyles. Hair accessories are just the best way to elevate your hair. They're light, they're easy to pack, and they are so quick and they can just transform your look in a second. So they are brilliant when you want to feel really glamorous on holiday. Thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I'm super grateful that you're here. Thank you so much and lots of love. Bye bye.